Good morning students. Let us start with English grammar lesson number 20, active and passive voice. Today I am going to explain you exercise 1. Exercise 1. Change the verbs in the following sentences from the active to the passive voice. First one. He teaches what? English. He teaches whom? Us. So here he is a subject, teaches is a verb, us will be an object, and also English also you can take as an object. So if you are taking English as an object, so answer will be English, object will become subject, English, singular there, so we'll use is, teachers will change into third form of verb, that is taught, English is taught to us, add by, and then he will become him when it comes into an object place. English is taught to us by him. Now here if you are taking us as an object, so when us will come into a subject place, it will become we. It's a plural, so we'll use verb are. We are taught English at by, and then he will change into him when it comes into an object place. We are taught English by him. Second, so she bought some eggs. She is a subject, bought is a verb. She bought what? Some eggs. So here some eggs will become your object. So here object will come into a subject place. Some eggs. Eggs, it's a plural, so we'll use verb were. Some eggs were bought, already it is in a third form. So same we are going to write here. Some eggs were bought, add by, she will change into her when it comes into an object place. Some eggs were bought by her. Third, he rang the bell. He is a subject, rang is a verb, the bell is an object. So object will come into a subject place, the bell. Bell is a singular, so we'll use verb was. Rang will change into third form of verb, that is rung. The bell was rung, add by, he will change into him when it comes into an object place. The bell was rung by him. Fourth, she told us a story. She told what? A story. She told whom? Us. So here us also you can take as an object, a story also you can take as an object. But if you are taking a story as an object, so answer will be, object will become our subject, a story. Story is a singular, so we'll use verb was. Verb already it is in a third form, so same we are going to write here. A story was told to us at by, and she will change into her when it comes into an object place. A story was told to us by her. Now here if you are taking us as an object, so object will become subject. So at that time us will change into we. We, it's a plural, so we'll use verb were. We were told a story, and by, she will change into her. We were told a story by her. Fifth, who taught you Hindi? Who is the subject, taught is a verb, you is a object. Hindi is an extra word. Who, it's an interrogative sentence, so for who we'll use word by whom. By whom, subject is not there. So we'll use verb. By whom were you taught? Verb already is in a third form, so same we are going to write here, taught. By whom were you taught Hindi? And then after question mark. The king killed the lion. The king is the subject, killed is a verb, the lion is an object. So here the lion will come into an subject place, the lion. It's a singular, so we'll use verb was. Killed, already it is in a third form. Add by, the king subject will become object, the king. The lion was killed by the king. 7. Everybody laughed at her. Everybody is the subject, laughed is a verb, at her. Her is an object. So object will come into a subject place. She. She is a singular, so we'll use verb was. She was, verb already it is in a third form. So same we are going to write here, laughed. She was laughed at by, everybody subject will become object, everybody. She was laughed at by everybody. 8. He showed us some tricks. So here he showed what? Some tricks. He showed whom? Us. So here us also you can take as an object. Some tricks also you can take as an object. So here first one. Some tricks. When it becomes a subject it will remain same. Some tricks. Tricks is a plural so we'll use verb where. Showed will change into third form shown. Some tricks were shown to us at by and he will change into him when it comes into an object place. Some tricks were shown to us by him. If you are taking us as an object. So here when it comes into a subject place, we it's a plural so we'll use verb where. Showed will change into third form shown. We were shown some tricks at by and he will change into him. We were shown some tricks by him. Ninth, I shall not help her. I is a subject, shall help is a verb, her is an object. So here her when it comes into a subject place, she. She is a third person so we'll use verb will. Will not be, help will change into helped. Third form of verb. She will not be helped at by. I will change into me when it comes into an object place. She will not be helped by me. 10. The boys enjoyed the film. So here the film is an object. So it will come into a subject place. The film. Film is a singular so we'll use verb was. Enjoyed already it is in a third form. So same we are going to write enjoyed. The film was enjoyed at by. Subject will become our object, the boys. The film was enjoyed by the boys. 11th, we refuse them admission. We refuse what? Admission. We refuse whom? Them. So here you can take them also as an object, admission also as your object. So if you are taking admission as your object, so answer will be admission. Object will become subject. Admission singular so we'll use verb was. Refuse already it is in a third form same we are going to write here. Admission was refused to them at by and we will change into us when it comes into an object place. If you are taking them as an object, so when it comes into a subject place it will become they. They it's a plural so verb will change into were. They were refused. Already it is in a third form, so same we are going to write here. They were refused admission at by. We will change into us when it comes into an object place. They were refused admission by us. 12. He promised me a present. He promised what? A present. He promised whom? Me. So here he is a subject, promised is a verb, me or a present you can take as an object. If you are taking me as your object, so answer will be me. When it comes into a subject place it will change into I is a singular so we'll use verb was. Promised already it is in a third form so same we are going to write here. I was promised a present at by and he will change into him when it comes into an object place. I was promised a present by him. Now if you are taking a present as your object, so here same we are going to write in a subject place a present. Present is a singular so you'll use verb was. A present was promised already it is in a third form so same you are going to write here promised. A present was promised to me at by and he will change into him. A present was promised to me by him. 13th, we elected Ashok captain. So here we is a subject, elected is a verb, Ashok is an object, captain is an extra word. So here Ashok will come into subject place. Ashok, it's a singular so we'll use verb was. Ashok was elected. Already verb is in third form so same we are going to write here elected. Ashok was elected captain at by and then we will change into us when it comes into an object place. Ashok was elected captain by us. 14. They choose him as the leader. So here there is a subject, choose is a verb, him is an object. As a leader is an extra word. So here Him, when it comes into a subject place, it will become he. He, it's a singular, so we'll use verb was. Choose will change into third form of verb, that is chosen. As their leader, add by, and they will change into them when it comes into an object place. He was chosen as their leader by them. 15. They found him guilty of murder. They is a subject, found is a verb, him is an object. Subject, when it comes into a subject place, it will become he. He, it's a singular, so we'll use verb was. Found, already it is in a third form, so same we are going to write here. Found. He was found guilty of murder, add by, and they will change into them. He was found guilty of murder by them. Hope students, you have understood explanation exercise 1. Thank you.